Hello friends, welcome back to the new video guys in my YouTube channel. In this video friends, I am going to show you guys Facebook setting. Today video title is guys how to turn off friend request notification on Facebook account. Friends, you don't want to use friend request notification on your Facebook account. So friends, now let's see how to turn off friend request notification setting. First of all guys, we will turn on Facebook application. And friends, we will tap here Facebook setting. Tap on Facebook setting and privacy option. After turn friends, you can see Facebook setting friends. We will tap here. Personal detail setting, if you click here, so you can check your personal detail. You want to add any account, so you can add account. Password security setting, if you tap here, so friends you can change your Facebook ID, Facebook account password. So when we will scroll down here, Facebook dark mode setting friends you want to use. So friends you can turn on Facebook dark mode. You want to off Facebook dark mode, so you can turn off your Facebook dark mode setting. So friends, first of all we will tap here notification. After turn notification friends, you can see this tab interface on your Facebook. Friend request notification setting, we will tap here. After turn on friend request notification setting friends, you can see these are notification for when someone send you a friend request or a request you have sent is accepted. For an example friends, you can see your friend sent you a friend request. So friends, you don't want to use friend request notification on Facebook account, so you can turn off friend request notification on your Facebook account. SMS email push, you cannot receive notification. So friends, when you will send any friend request, when you will accept any friend request, so you cannot use friend request notification on your Facebook account. Bye friends, thanks for watching the video. To find out have any problem on your Facebook, so friends you can ask me in comment section. I will check, I will help you. Bye bye friends.